Dear friends, in this video we are going to discuss how to multiply any two natural numbers whose units digit is 5. That means ending with 5. Any two natural numbers, if their units digit is 5, how to multiply those kind of numbers? We will see how to do it faster, right? With a quicker technique. My dear friends, suppose I am starting with the small numbers. Suppose you have to multiply 25 and 35. 25 and 35. Friends, when I am checking in the calci, I got 25 into 35 is 875. Now how to get it with our technique? There are some mind calculations, there are some psychological calculations that you have to do inside your brain. Whenever you see these two numbers, the common feature is their unit digit is 5 in both the numbers. So on a whole, which is the highest number, which is the bigger number? 35 is the bigger number, right? So 5 is anyway common in both. In the remaining digits, which is the bigger number? 3. So immediately write the next higher number above it, or you should assume it in your mind, no problem. So whatever the bigger number is there other than 5, whatever the bigger number you find, write the next number. That is the first psychological calculation you have to do. Next, what is the difference between those numbers that you have just handling now? Remaining digits other than 5, what are the remaining digits? What is the difference of those numbers? The difference is 1. Multiply this difference with 50 and keep the number ready for the future calculations. So when I am explaining it, it may take a time, but actually it is a very easy process. So 5 is anyway common. So in the remaining digits, decide which is the bigger number, write just next higher number for it. And what is the difference between those two numbers? Write the difference. Always multiply this difference with 50 and keep that product ready for the future calculations, right? Now I will do, you need not write all these things on the paper, you just have to assume in your mind. Okay, now the game starts. 5 into 5, always there is 25. 5 into 5 you write 25. Now multiply these two numbers, the smallest number and the next higher number you have written, that is 825. Whatever the difference into 50 product you got, add that number. Your answer is 875. Now we will practice some more questions. It will be very easy for you. Suppose there is a number 35 which should be multiplied with 55. So I am just assuming the next 5 is anyway common. In the remaining two digits, which is the highest number? 5. The next higher number for 5 is 6. Keep it ready. And the difference between 3 and 5 is 2. Always multiply this difference with 50 and the result is 100. Right? Now the calculation starts. 5 into 5 is always 25. Now 3 into 6 is 18. Plus difference into 50. What is 2 into 50? 100 plus this number plus 100. Your answer is 1925. Shall I go for another calculation? Yes. I am looking at 65 into 95 now. These two numbers I compared. 10 is the next number higher. I compared 6 and 9. 9 is the highest number. The next number for 9 is 10. The difference between these two numbers is 3 and 3 into 50 is 150. Now the calculation starts. 5 into 5 is 25. Always 25 in the units place and tens place, occupancy. Multiply these two numbers, 60, add this number plus 150. Your answer is 6175. I am going for further higher numbers. 105 into 115. 5 is anyway common. I compared 10 and 11, and 11 is the higher number, and for the higher number, for the higher number you have to write next number, that is 12, and the difference between 10 and 11 is 1. Always multiply this difference with 50, your product is 50. Now 5 into 5 is 25, 10 into 12 is 120, add this number plus 50, 120, 75, 120, 75. Now my dear friends, coming to the actual, there is a multiplication called 14.5 into 19.5. So if you remove the, we can handle the decimals afterwards. It is 145 into 195, 145 into 195. So 5 is anyway common. So I have just compared 14 and 19. 14 and 19 when I compared, 20 is the next higher number to 19, next higher number to 19. And the difference between 14 and 19 is 5. 5 into 50 is equal to 250. 5 into 5 is 25. Now the calculation starts. 5 into 5 is 25. Now multiply these two numbers, 280. Add this number plus 250. This number, add this number 250. 5, 7, 2, 8, 2. I have written from the units place. Now the answer is 28,275 is the product of 14.5 into 19.5 with decimal placed here. Thank you. I hope you liked our technique. It is very useful. Any two natural numbers you can multiply whose units digit is 5. Thank you. Subscribe to our channel, Mark Institute.